Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm with Parker Glaus. He's the On Your Lot rep from True Homes, and we really love True Homes. There are a lot of reasons. Why do you love True Homes?
Well, that's a good question. Number one, I'd say the value, to be honest. Just out there today, the dollar per square foot, it's just getting a little out of control, especially with the hard cost increases and stuff.
Don't give those numbers because I don't want the people to have false expectations, but the number today is hovering around 125-ish a foot, right?
I'd say in the medium, but as low as 101 for ranches, maybe as high as 176.
Wow, yeah, because you got a bigger foundation. So, how do we get started?
Number one, I'd honestly contact Roger and his team. And together, well, first of all, you're going to be doing the lot search. We love our brokers. We need our brokers. We don't have the capacity to roll without them. So thank you guys. But you're going to find a lot, and Roger's going to help you and his team identify which one would be best for what you're looking for. And then also, Roger and I can work together in his team and just putting our minds together for what you have in mind to make sure it's the perfect fit. Once that is done, we start thinking about the site evaluation, like how much is it going to cost to make this land buildable, right?
Right, because it's more than cost per square foot. You've got site work, right?
That's right.
And what does all that involve?
So it involves a lot of things. The main thing, like it's anything from the initial grading to the final grade to temp drive to maintenance of that temp drive.
Temp drive means a temporary driveway.
Right, literally like all those rocks and stuff. We got to keep that in mind. So also tree saving, everything. So there's just so many things. But our managing partner does go out there within a week. If I get that construction to perm pre-qual from you, then he gets out there within a week.
Guys, I'm interpreting what Parker is saying. What that means is the financing is completely different for an on-your-lot type of build. It's called construction to perm financing. Now, they have preferred lenders that my team will get you in touch with them to get what he just said, the pre-qualification. In other words, how much house can you afford? How much money do you have? Can you buy the lot outright? So there are a lot of variables in that. But one of the great things about True Homes is that you've got a beautiful design studio. And so they'll be going there to pick out their carpet and cabinets.
That's right. So even though you're not in one of our communities, they still go to a design studio. They're assigned one consultant. Her name is Brianna. And she is not paid on commission, so she's not there trying to get you to get that extra upgrade. She's just really talented at what she does, tying colors together, making sure you get the best bang for the buck, to be honest with you.
Yeah, and you guys have on floor plans, you have like everything from some very great ranch plans to some fabulous primary suite down to multiple bedrooms. I mean, even the Atkinson and the Kensington, which you and I talked about shooting last week, that'll be at the end of this video. You'll get to see a lot of the floor plans. But you also have, higher end stuff, right? Like $1 million stuff.
That is correct. Yeah. So, our bread and butter, honestly, is between maybe like 300,000 up to 1 million. So although some of our neighborhoods we do serve, we are about affordability, but we do have that ability to go all the way up to $1 million and really make that house nice.
The value is right there. So how will the client be involved interacting with you, Parker?
So I'd be with them the whole way. They are assigned a sales advisor, be myself or Jordan Baker. He covers the South Market, I cover the North. They also have their own personal builder, so they'll be in touch with them, getting weekly updates, and they'll be very involved, very informed. They could leave for, honestly, 10 months, come back, home's done, but they'd know what's going on the whole time.
Well, part of that is that my team, we're buyer agents and we love new construction.
That's right.
And several of us have sat in the model. We know what it's like to be on your side. And so we think that we bring really good expectations to the client. I don't know if you've seen my video series called Building from the Ground Up, but that one you have. Okay,
yeah, it's fantastic.
50 videos. It kind of sets the expectation, right?
Agreed, yeah.
So, by the way, if you're about to build, whether you help with me, with us, you want to go to buildingfromthegroundup.video. It's not .com, buildingfromthegroundup.video. That will help you in your build. So, again, you and I are really 2022, we're endeavoring to feature different floor plans.
Yep, that's right.
What are some of the other ones that you have in mind for me to shoot?
Oh, my goodness. Well, we have 80 plus, and then each floor plan has about 4, 5, 6 different ways you can do it, and then they can put their own tweaks on it. So some of the more popular ones for my 2 stores might be the Kipling, Riley, Huntley, Lennox, Winslow, Wakefield, all that stuff. Yeah,
and then how about ranch plans?
Ranch plans. So the Hardwick is really the king of them all, to be honest. It's It's like as wide as a football field. The secondary bedrooms.
Not quite as wide as a
Correct. Not quite. But the secondary bedrooms are actually large, which in ranch plans are impossible to find. And they each have their own bathroom, so that's important.
Oh, yeah.
But also the Langley, the Montcrest, the Broderick, all extremely great options.
So let's you and I make a deal today that you're going to let me know when some of those plans are about to close on existing customers, like I did the other day.
Yep.
And I'll go shoot those. We'll put those in this playlist,
Okay.
and then we'll be looking for lots
Correct.
that we can help people. Because, guys, we all know how frustrating it is right now to buy a house, even in a subdivision. And some of you like the idea of no HOA, telling you what the heck to do, etc. So we're working on it. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. If Parker and I have helped you today, then hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.
All right. Thanks, Roger.